Today I'm going to show you how to make the arcade stitch. Have you ever tried this stitch before? Excuse me, mister. What are you doing? Come on. Alright, let's look at this stitch here. So this is the arcade stitch. It has really pretty shell scallops on kind of offset rows. It has a 4-row repeat, so it is a little bit of an involved pattern, but once you get going and see how it's all put together, it's pretty easy to memorize. It's reversible, looks good on both sides. It has some little eyelets in here which add a lot of interest to your projects. I also really like how the edge is smooth rather than scalloped, so if you want to make this into a blanket, putting a border on it is very easy. And let's see, what else was I going to tell you about it? I think that's it. If you're not already, now's a good time to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications to get notified each time I release a new stitch tutorial. So grab your yarn and your hook and let's get crocheting. All right, this is some, let's see, what is this? Yarn from my stash. I believe it is Lion Brand Vanna's Choice. I don't remember what color. Maybe grapefruit? I don't remember. And this is, let's see, focus, my 6mm Furls Streamline Swirl crochet hook. To get started, you're going to chain a multiple of 6 plus 2. I'm going to do 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. There we go, 20 chains. You're going to single crochet in the second chain from your hook, right there, and in the next chain. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Be sure that you're not doing these chains too tight. Keep them a little bit loose. You're going to skip 3 chains and then single crochet in the next 3. So we have our chain 3, our skipped 3, and then 3 single crochets. And that's what you're going to repeat across your row. You're going to chain 3, skip 3, and then do 3 single crochets until there's, let's see, 5 chains left. 1, 2, 3, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I have 5 chains left. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains and then single crochet in the last 2. All right, and that is the end of row 1. All right, row 2, chain 1, and then we're going to turn, single crochet in the same stitch as your chain 1. Anna Lynn, is that you in there? Anna, come here. You have water in your water bottle in your room?
I was trying to paint.
No, go find something to do. You're being very loud and it's going to show up on my video. All right, so we're going to skip this next single crochet, and then in this chain 3 space we're going to make 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we're going to put a single crochet in this middle, in the second single crochet of this group of 3. So skip 1, single crochet in the next one. Ta-da! A pretty little scallop. And that's what you're going to repeat all the way across. You're going to put 5 double crochets in each chain 3 space and a single crochet in the second single crochet in your 3 single crochet group there. So 5 double crochets in the chain 3 space. Single crochet in that middle stitch. Five double crochets in the chain 3 space. Can you guys hear my bird clock and my cat? That's funny. Okay, so now that we're at the end of the row, we're gonna skip this first single crochet and make a single crochet in the next one, which is the last stitch of our row 2. All right, row 3, chain 1, turn, single crochet in that same stitch at the base of the chain 1, chain 2, not too tightly, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch, and then single crochet in the next 3 double crochets. So skip this one, and then single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. All right, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to skip the next 3 stitches. So you're going to skip the double crochet, skip the single crochet, and skip the next double crochet. and then single crochet in the next 3 double crochets. This is going to create that straight line across the top of our pattern here. And that's what you repeat. You repeat this chain 3, skip 3, 3 single crochet all the way across. So chain 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 3. When we get to the end of the row, we are gonna, there's a cat here. We're going to mirror what we did to start. So we're going to, when you have 2 stitches left, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet in the last stitch. We're just gonna skip this one and single crochet into the last one. Single crochet. All right. So that's what we got so far. We are at the end of row 3. So let's move on to row 4. Chain, if my hook works, oh come on. There we go. 1, 2, 3, chain 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. And then make 2 double crochets in this chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Now we're going to skip the next stitch and single crochet in that middle stitch of our 3 single crochet group there. So skip 1, single crochet in the next one. And then you're going to skip the next stitch and do 5 double crochets in that chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cat hair again. Surprise, surprise. All right. So there we go. And then again, you're going to single crochet in the middle single crochet. So skip 1, single crochet in the next one. You're going to repeat this across. So you're going to repeat the skip 1, single crochet, skip another one, 5 double crochet in the chain 3 space. So we skipped 1, then we did a single crochet. We're going to skip 1 more, and we're going to do 5 double crochets in the chain 3 space. 1, 2, oh, the cat's trying to get up here. 3, we'll see if he's good. Oh, he's going to look out the window next to me. Trying to catch a bird or something. 4 and 5. All right, and then skip 1, single crochet in the next one. And that should bring us to the end of our row. So we need to mirror it. So mirror it. So it looks like the beginning. So we're going to do 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, and then a double crochet in that last single crochet. So 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, 1 and 2, and then double crochet in that last single crochet. Looking good so far. This next row, row 5, is going to be the last row of our repeat. So chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the same stitch as chain 1 and in the next stitch. Now we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. And that's what you're going to repeat across. You're going to do the chain 3, skip 3, 3 single crochets. So next I'm going to chain 3, I'm going to skip 3, and then I'm going to do 3 single crochets. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches, a double crochet, a single crochet, and a double crochet, and then a single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and now the dog's decided to bark. It's an eventful afternoon around here, folks. The cat's probably terrorizing him. So now we're getting towards the end of our row. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the next stitch and in the top of our chain 3 turning chain. So skip 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next, and single crochet in the top of your turning chain. And that is it. So to finish out your pattern, you're going to repeat rows 2 through 5. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy crocheting, guys. Bye.